Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow eyeshadow palette. So this is the rose one that I got. I guess the fourth one of the Snap Shadows. But there are so many of these. There's everything from super neutral ones to really colorful ones. So this one's obviously going to be more pink, as you could tell by the packaging itself. And yeah, so let's get started. So this is what it looks like. Then all the names are on the back of the palette. And excuse the fact that my Christmas tree is still up. It'll be down by next time. It's a really cute little palette. They are really small, so I don't know how else to show you guys other than like just comparing it to the size of my hand. But yeah, they're really small and compact. There's 6 shadows, which are at least like a good sized pan considering how small the palette is. And then it has a mirror on top of it, which is always nice to have, especially with something like this. In case you did carry something like this around with you, then you at least have a little mirror to go with it. It is a close-up of the shadows themselves. It's so pretty. I think this is so cute, and I think that even like for Valentine's Day and things like that, this palette has like really good color options to choose from. I'm going to probably do some swatches just because there are only 6 eyeshadows, so I might as well. I'm going to go across the top row first. So these are the 3 top shades in the top row of the palette. So you have 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. They are pretty pigmented. The shimmer is more of like a subtle, it's more like a metallic-y shade rather than a glitter. I'm going to swatch the bottom row right next to the 3 shades we just did. So this first one is again another metallic-y shade. Looks really pretty. The next one is a nice neutral matte brown. It's nice and smooth. I really like this matte brown. It's very creamy and easy to apply. So we'll see how it applies to the eyes. And then this one I would say is more of a glittery kind of color. So let's see how it actually swatches. Yeah, it definitely is. You have like flakes of glitter and stuff in it. You can definitely see that one's much more glittery than the 2 more metallic-y shades, which are right here. I'm going to just start out with my NYX concealer, like I always do, just to prime the lids. And I'm just setting this, like not setting, but just blending it out with my beauty blender so that it looks nice and smooth. And with my Morphe blending brush, this is the M441, going in with this matte light pink shade, just placing this all into the crease and outer corners. I'm going to add some of this pink shade right here, which is another matte. See how this applies. I'm just placing this on the outer corner and blending it up and into the crease. So I'm really happy with that pigmentation. I think that the shade blended really smoothly, so very happy with that. It's not patchy or anything. Now I'm just going to go into that matte brown and placing this on the outer corners. I just don't want this look to be like a super bright pink today. You could definitely keep it like that if you wanted, but I'm just going to make it a little bit more subtle by applying this brown over top of the pink on the outer corner. We can always reapply more pink later on if I wanted to bring it out a little bit more. Just going to also apply some of this to the outer half of the lower lash line. Kind of want to just cut the crease and apply some glitter and shimmery eyeshadow. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just taking my NYX concealer and cutting the inner half of my lid with this. I'm going to go into the metallic-y shade at the top right, and I'm just placing this on the edge of that concealer. And then for the very inner part of the concealer, I'm using this glitter. I'm just going to place, that shimmer is so nice. I really love this shade. Like, look at that. In with a smaller eyeshadow brush that I really like to use for my lower lash line, and I'm just going to lightly place some of that glitter just to deepen this outer edge up a little bit more. I'm just going back in with a blending brush so that it stays super soft, and going into that matte brown and blending it out very lightly. For my highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter. It looks like this. This is in the shades Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. So when I use this, I typically just mix both of the shades and then apply. Going in with a really small eyeshadow brush and just using the more shimmery highlighting shade, which is Fire Crystal, and placing this on the inner corners. And I'm placing it on my brow bone. I'm going to apply some liquid liner, so I'm using my Adora Unshakable liquid liner and just going to create my wings with this. For lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Wispies. I'm just going to add a little mascara to finish up the eyes. So this one is from Lancome. For lips today, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Fussy. And it's this really pretty neutral lip gloss shade. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I really like this cute little palette. I think this is like a great palette, and I think that any of them would be the same quality, so there are a bunch to choose from. So you guys can go check them out if you are interested. I hope you guys liked the first video of 2020. There will be many more to come. And yeah, so if you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it, so you're notified when I upload a new video every week. And you guys can go check out last week's video as well. Be sure to go follow me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!